Processor requirements. Data controllers need to be compliant in GDPR, and they should only hire data processors that can demonstrate that compliance. Compliance can be demonstrated using code of conduct, certification, etc. Additionally, controllers must have with their processors a contract that gives information about the nature of the job, including the reason for processing, the type of personal data involved, whose data is being processed, broadly speaking, and the data transfers that may take place. Note that the contract may be based in whole or in part on the standard contractual clauses. If you are a processor, you have a set of responsibilities to carry out. You should process the personal data only on written instructions from the controller. Your personnel involved in processing should keep it all confidential. With the controller's permission, you can engage a sub-processor under a written contract. Note that you would be responsible here for the sub-processor. You should allow the controller to conduct audits and inspections for compliance. You should help the controller where required with security of personal data. You should facilitate response to individual rights requests. And you must assist the controller in performing a DPIA and notify the controller in the event of a personal data breach. At the end of the contract, you should return or delete the personal data as required by the controller.